Do you remember me? It's a very special day today. So special. See this? That is March 20th. And that means it's the first day of spring. Are you excited? I'm so excited. I feel a song coming on. It's spring. Yeah, it's spring. There's no more cold, so I can come out and be bold. It's spring. Yeah, it's spring. Yeah. Gone are the snow slops, so bring out your flip-flops. It's spring. Yeah. Woo-hoo!
Hello, friends. Do you know what day it is today? Let's figure it out together. Can you find the last shape we drew in our pattern? If we find the last shape we drew in our pattern, we will know what yesterday was, and then we can determine what today is. What do you think? Did you guess green shamrock? That's right, green shamrock. So yesterday was Friday, March 19th, 2021. So if this was yesterday, that means this square is today. And we are going to put the next shape in our pattern so that while we're working on our calendar, we know where to come back to. So what do you think the next shape is going to be? I hear some great guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and figure it out together. Are you ready? Green shamrock, yellow circle, 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 green shamrock, yellow circle. Did you guess yellow circle? Let's put the yellow circle into our calendar. You can draw it on your paper or in the air. Both of those are great ways to practice. So we'll start up at the top and we're going to go all the way around and then color that in. And if your circle has some bumps or some straight lines, or maybe it looks more like an oval, that is okay because we're just practicing. And the more we practice, the better we will get. So now that we know that this is our square for today, we can figure out what the name of the day is. And do you remember how many days of the week there are? Good guessing. Let's go and count them up and say their names together. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 days in the week. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Good job. Thank you for singing that with me. I love it when we do it together. It's much more fun. So this is today, and we're going to go up our column to see what the name is for today. And it is Saturday. And Saturday begins with an S. Can you make an S sound? S. Good job. S. So S is like a slithery snake or a stinky sock. Those are some S words. So capital S because it's the name of our day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday. And Saturday has 3 syllables. Will you clap them with me? Saturday. Good job. One more time. Saturday. Excellent. Thank you so much. So let's put Saturday into our agenda. Did you bring your agenda today? It's okay if you don't have an agenda. You can practice with us by printing on your paper or by printing the letters in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So we will begin our sentence by printing the first 2 words, which are today is. And today starts with a capital T because it's the first word in our sentence. T-O-D-A-Y. And then is spelled I-S. And next we're going to put in Saturday. Capital S because it's the name of our day. A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. And then I'm going to put a comma in there. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the next word. And the next word is our month. Do you remember how many months there are in the year? Let's count them up together and say their names. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 months of the year. Are you ready to say their names? January, February, March, and April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Good job. And do you remember what month we are in? I'll give you a hint. It's the 3rd month. So the 3rd one from the top. 1, 2, 3. And that says March. So we are in March, and we've got March at the top of our calendar, and it begins with a letter M. And M sounds like mmm. Can you make that sound? Mmm. Good job. What are some words that start with M? Marshmallow, magazine, capital M, because it's the name of our month, M-A-R-C-H, March. And March has one syllable. Will you clap it with me? March. Good job. Let's do it one more time. March. Excellent. Let's put March into our sentence in our agenda. Today is Saturday, March. Capital M because it's the name of our month. A-R-C-H. And next we're going to put in the number. What do you think the number is today? Oh, I hear some really good guesses. Let's look at the calendar. What was yesterday? Yesterday was the number 19. When we count, we say 19, but when we put it in the calendar, we say 19th. Can you try that? 19th. Good job. So if yesterday was 19, and we're going to go one more square over, so we got to add 1. 19 plus 1. What do you think that would be? What comes after 19 when we're counting? I hear really good guesses. Let's go back to the beginning and count up all our days to see if our answer is correct. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Did you guess 20? 20 comes after 19. So 19 plus 1 is 20. Good job. Let's put 20 into our calendar. You can practice on your paper or in the air with your finger. Are you ready? So 20 is 2 digits, a 2 and a 0. So we'll start up at the top to make our 2, make a curve, and then a line on a diagonal down and a line across. And then we'll put a 0 here. A 2 and a 0 make 20. And when we count, we say 20. But when we put it in the calendar, we say 20th. We put that at the end again. Can you try that? 20th. Good job. Now let's count backwards. Are you ready? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's put the number into our sentence. Today is Saturday, March 20th. So put a 2 and a 0, 20, and then a comma. And that comma reminds us to pause before we say the year. And the year is at the top of the calendar, 2021 or 2021. 2, 0, 2, 1, and then a period. And that period reminds us to stop. That is the end of our sentence. So will you say the whole sentence with me? Today is Saturday, March 20th, 2021. Stop. So now I'm going to print all my numbers up to the number 20 because I want to practice making my numbers every day so I get really good at them. And I'd like you to practice making your numbers as well. You can practice on your paper or you can practice with your finger in the air. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was a lot of numbers. Thank you for practicing that with me. Did you peek outside and see what the weather was like before we got started today? What is the weather like for you? Is it sunny? Is it sunny where you are? What about snowy? It's not snowy where I am. What about cloudy? Is it cloudy where you are? What about rainy? Is it rainy where you are? It's actually partly cloudy, partly sunny for us again today. And I forgot that card up on the board from yesterday. So partly cloudy, partly sunny. And now we can put it into our chart. So it's not raining, snowing, sunny. It is sunny, but we need a cloud with it. Partly cloudy, partly sunny. And we already have some tally marks in there. Do you remember how many we had yesterday? Let's count them up and see. Do you remember what this means when we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strokes, right? So we got 4 tally marks with 1 right through it. That means 5. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And we're going to put one more tally mark in there. You can practice on your paper or in the air with me. We'll go up to the top and strike it down. So we had 8 and we added one more. How much do you think that is? 8 plus 1. Let's add them up and see if we're correct. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8 plus 1 equals 9. Or 5 plus 4 equals 9. And we've had 9 partly cloudy, partly sunny days so far. Thank you for helping me with the weather chart. Let's put it into our agenda. So we can just put a cloud and a sun. We've had a lot of partly cloudy, partly sunny days in a row, haven't we? Now I'm going to draw one activity that I'm going to do today. And I would like you to draw an activity that you're going to do today as well. Just pick one thing that you want to do today and draw a picture of it. Today I'm going to go into the backyard and pick up branches. We have lots of branches all over the ground from the winter. The wind blows them down and the snow is heavy, so we have lots of branches. There is some leaves as well on the ground. So I'm going to pick up all these branches and we put them into a pile, and we usually have a bonfire where we roast marshmallows and stuff. We won't do that tomorrow. That's more for in the spring, summertime, but we'll put them in a pile so that we're ready for that. And then now that I'm done drawing my picture, I'm going to put my name at the bottom because you always want to sign the pictures that you draw. You also want to practice printing your name every day so you get really good at it. Don't forget to put a capital at the beginning of your name. Are you ready? Capital C-E-L-Y-N-N-E. And yesterday I was feeling pretty happy. I had a good day. I made some banana loaf and I shared it with my neighbors. So that was my kind thing to do yesterday. And then let's see how I'm feeling today. Do you think I'm still feeling happy? What about confused? Nervous? What do you think? Maybe skeptical? You're not quite sure how you're feeling? What about excited? Are you excited today? Is something special going to happen today? Or maybe something special did happen? Maybe you're just excited and super happy? What about angry? Are you angry today? Did something bad happen that you're not happy about? Maybe you're tired, you didn't get enough sleep. What about sad? Are you sad today? Maybe you lost something or you missed somebody. What about happy? Are you happy today? Maybe you feel pretty good. You're excited about your activities you're going to do today. All of those are great emotions. I am feeling kind of nervous. I'm nervous because we haven't really been in the yard since the snow melted. I'm not sure what we're going to find. So I'm curious because sometimes animals leave things in the yard, or maybe we were playing with something in the snow and it got lost in the snow and we'll find it again. Or we might find some garbage, and that's not very nice because people litter and it blows into your yard, so that's not good either. So I'm a little bit nervous. Let's put nervous on the board today. And my kind thing is that I'm helping clean up the yard today. Anytime we help somebody do something, that is kind. So we're all going to help each other. We're going to go outside and clean up the yard today. Can you find something kind to do today? Is there something you can help somebody with? Maybe your sibling or a grown-up or a neighbor. It's just nice to do something with people. So I hope you find something fun and kind to do today, and we will see each other again tomorrow. Bye-bye, friends. Click the like button and select subscribe so you don't miss out on our future videos.